Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be installing some WRX emblems, which should be super easy, and I got these overlays, which should also be easy, but I don't think they're really going to stay on because these are kind of shitty. But we'll see how it goes. Alright, so here's the car. As you can see, there is some silver ones on there, which I'm going to take off and just got to heat it up. And it comes off with 3M, so it should be pretty easy. Let me just set it up. Alright, so I'm just going to heat it up right now so I can get the 3M loose, and then it should come apart pretty easily. So you're going to want to just go over it a little bit. Don't keep it in one spot because it'll probably melt it and mess up your paint as well. Shouldn't take that long to get it heated up. You can also use a hair dryer, but a heat gun works way faster. You might want to get some gloves so it doesn't burn your hands, which is actually what I'm going to do right now. Yeah, it's pretty hot, so you're going to want to get some gloves. There you go, see, and as you can see, it is coming off. Just gotta keep heating it up a little bit. And just like that, I did mess it up a little bit, but I'm never gonna use these again, so it's fine. And then there's still all this adhesive on it that we need to take off, so you can just get some adhesive remover, scrape it off. Alright, so I actually went to the store because I had to go get some of this Goo Gone because I literally cannot get it off with anything else, so I just made a quick stop. Alright, so I finally got all this stuff off. That's the best I could do. All that is just pretty hard to get. I mean, literally spent like 15 minutes just straight scrubbing, but now it's time to add the new one on. I think it's gonna look pretty clean. Alright, so just peel the 3M tape off. There we go. Just pull it off. You're gonna want to press on it pretty hard, make sure it's in there and it sticks good, because this ain't coming off for a while. There we go. And now that is what it looks like. I think it looks so much better with the black, especially once I get some wheels. It's dropped. So that's the black. Oh yeah, I also just put this license plate relocator on with the billet works. The elite plate looks pretty nice. Car's super dirty. And that's what it looks like. The silver, can't even tell, looks really ugly. Alright, so I'm not gonna record the other side. Pretty much you just do the same thing, it's pretty easy. And I'm not trying to really make tutorial videos or like install videos. I'm just trying to start vlogging and stuff. But yeah, and I'll show you some other stuff I got too in a little bit. Alright, so this is the other thing I wanted to show you. I got these floor mats from Random Archives on Instagram. He makes crazy stuff. I got these, and then I got this air freshener. And I'm about to put these in right now. Oof. Oh yeah, and I put on some black for the front emblem, but I didn't record that. Alright, so time to take out these dirty ass things. And they're universal fit, so they should fit. Let me clean this up a little bit. Yeah, I need to vacuum my car. They are kind of big, but yeah, they look good. Let me get the other ones in. And he has other crazy ones also. Pull this back. I'm gonna make everyone take off their shoes before they come in this car now. Oof, look at that. Let me see if you can see from the back. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, so y'all should look him up on Instagram. Y'all can find these other ones, but his shop only opens up sometimes, so you gotta be on the lookout. He has a whole bunch of stickers, air fresheners, everything. But yeah, so that's it for the car, for this video. So just subscribe and like if you want to see some more videos, and I'll definitely have some coming up soon. Peace.